a family company serving families like yours. Quality Comfort Home Services is here to provide you with a wide variety of HVAC services.
At Quality Comfort Home Services, we offer heating, cooling, plumbing, duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, ductwork modifications, and also gas lines. We are a family-owned and operated company. We're not a huge franchise or anything like that. When you do call the office, you'll more than likely talk to my wife that answers the phones for us, and then we got a tight-knit group of employees that will take care of the customers.
What makes Quality Comfort Home Services different is we really try to provide an intimate experience for our customers. From the time that they call the office to the time that either our service techs or our comfort advisor comes out to maybe an install team. It's a stepwise process, and we really try to follow through and follow up on every step that, every interaction that we have with the customer and provide the experience that they're looking for.
On our equipment, we do 10-year parts, 10-year warranty. You also get a free total care club with your for the first year for our or with the install, and what that includes is a furnace tune-up in the fall, AC tune-up in the spring. We also do discounts on repairs. You get priority service, and then you're not responsible for remembering to get your tune-ups. Our office will call you to schedule the tune-ups. A lot of people might think that turning the furnace on in the summer might be a bad idea. It doesn't hurt anything, so you can actually run the furnace all year round. Again, I wouldn't recommend it just because you're obviously putting unnecessary heat into the home, but if we show up to the house and you wanted to get your furnace and AC knocked out at the same time, we could do them both in the summer months. Common mistakes that we see is dirty filters. That's a major component with airflow and part of the system. So you want to make sure you stay up with changing your filters. There are several different filters out there that need to be changed every month, every 3 months, or every 6 months. So you definitely want to keep up on that.
So our filter delivery program is a unique service that we provide at Quality Comfort Home Services. We're able to ship your filter through the mail to your home either on a monthly or quarterly or every 6-month basis to remind you to change that filter. It's very easy to forget that is something that will help maintain and prolong the life of your system. So we're able to, after you sign up, able to ship that to your home. It's just that reminder that that service does need to be done.
Extending the life of your HVAC system, I would highly recommend maintenance, tune-ups. For the air conditioning, getting your outdoor coils cleaned. That will extend the life of the compressor and of the motor, not put as much strain on it. So we come out, we spray down your coils, clean the coils, and then also check your compressor, your motors, and things like that for high amps. Again, just trying to extend the life of it so that you don't have those unexpected breakdowns. Some things to look for if you're having an issue with your system is airflow issues, second floor maybe being not as cool or hot as your first level. Obviously your thermostat, if it's not keeping up, if it's running long period of time, then I would definitely get somebody out to take a look at it.
Oftentimes when homeowners call us, their furnace or AC has gone out, and when that happens, people need service right away. So we do have emergency service. We have a technician on call in the evening as well as on the weekend, so we are able to get to most of our customers within 24 hours.
Our install process, depending on the size of the job, could take a day, could take 2 days. But what we do is depending on the season. So if we're in the summer months, we do not leave without getting your AC up and running. And the same thing in the winter months. If it's cold, we're not going to leave you without heat.
When they call us, they're going to get an honest opinion. It's very important to me and our family that we are providing all the options. We're not out there to sell you anything, but we are out there to provide you with the options that fit your needs for your family.